Yeah! What's going on YouTube? This is your boy Press One back with another video. And welcome to PDEnt.Is. Hey! We're back with another video, man. We got Machine Gun Kelly X Doughboy Killer Cam Freestyle. We continue with the MGK Catching Up series. And this is the last song by MGK. And then after this, we need to check out Kid Short and Rap Devil. The beef between MGK and Eminem that I didn't know about. Bro. Man, I don't even know how that started, but Eminem kills everyone, bro, who disses him. And all of his songs, in a way, always sound like he's taking shots at people. Man, I'm not gonna waste your time. This is your first time here, like the video, comment down below, subscribe. Welcome to PDEnt, the home of the raddest entertainment. Without any further ado, boy, let's get into it, man. Machine Gun Kelly, turn me up. Let's turn up the volume. Turn me up. Let's go.
Alright, we're live from the homies' backyard today. We got Dope.Is.
Dope.Is. Oh, Dope.Is.
Yeah. Oh. Really? Big Dope.Is, nigga.
The beat is crazy. The beat is crazy.
First 48 game, man. Step on everything. On this water on my wrist, you try that shit, you gon' get drenched.
Whoa!
Cause I got rich, but still drop 30 off the bitch. Up that bitch clean, but he was too late. 48 in that bitch like a shining blue face. You ain't with the shit, then you can't spend with us. You ain't murder gang, they ain't no gangsta shit you did with us.
Whoa. Boy, this nigga's talking, boy. Bro, who's Dope Boy? He's going crazy.
Was too late. 48 in that bitch like a shining blue face. You ain't with the shit, then you can't spend with us.
Yeah.
You ain't murder gang, they ain't no gangsta shit you did with us. Nigga better duck, see you live it up.
Whoa.
Try to score me like DraftKings, I blew his ticket in.
Whoa. Hold on.
He tried to score me like that.
He tried to score on me like DraftKings. I blew his tickets up. Welcome, Dope Boy. Welcome to the channel. Oh man.
DraftKings, I blew his ticket in.
Woo.
Used to be a problem, had me banned and roll loud.
Whoa.
Reaching for my
What did they ban you at Rolling Loud?
ticket in. Used to be a problem, had me banned and roll loud.
Yo, I know Rolling Loud is a festival in the United States, boy. I've seen some videos of it. But why was this nigga banned? Comment down below why he was banned.
Reaching for my chain and up this bitch blowing the crowd. Run your chicken up, boy, all that broke shit out of style. Big step with 2 feet in, don't get out of bounds.
Ooh.
Try my white boy and he got whacked.
Whoa!
Dragged him out the 2 feet in.
Wait, whoa. What white boy are you talking about? Machine Gun Kelly, or you just pointing? Boy. Hold
Run
on.
your chicken up, boy, all that broke shit out of style. Big step with 2 feet in.
Hey, where's Dope Boy from? Comment down below where he's
Don't get out of bounds. Try my white boy and he got whacked. Dragged him out the club like I'm security. Damn, I forgot I rap.
Damn! Machine Gun Kelly said damn too, bro. I heard him. Bro, hold on. Drag them out the club like I'm security. Damn, I forgot I rap.
Club like I'm security. Damn, I forgot I rap.
Damn!
Front line, busy don't sit in the back. Put you on a shirt for cheap and look like TJ Maxx. Educate my nigga, never met Cuddy. Ain't saying he ain't from Cleveland, I just never met Buddy. Demon not a preacher, I can't go like Corey Bates. A nigga played and I'ma go like you money. Glizzy on my hip, I up the switch, I ain't gon' miss.
Damn!
I miss when I'm on hits and I damn sure
This man is gangster, boy.
Bitch, your set, if I send that blitz, thought I was recording them on my story, saw that flashlight on that blitz.
Thought I was recording him on my story, saw the flashlight on the man, damn.
Just sit if I send that blitz, thought I was recording them on my story, saw that flashlight on that blitz. Oh, really?
Y'all should listen when I'm spitting, cause I'm really saying something.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Hold on, Jamal. Hold on now. You gotta let me breathe. And get onto you. Boy, you cannot just come after him, boy. Hold on, MGK. Hold on.
Y'all should listen when I'm spitting, cause I'm really saying something.
Yeah.
There's a difference between who's authentic and portraying something.
There's a difference between who's authentic and portraying something. Boy, this is about to get crazy. This is about to get crazy. MGK, don't get me out of the door, boy. Don't get me out of the... Man. Don't get me out of the door.
There's a difference between who's authentic and portraying something. There's a difference between independence and your label front.
Whoa.
There's a difference between being legendary and just having your name buzzing. It don't mean nothing.
Ooh, there's a difference between your name being legend. Wait, whoa. Let me catch
Label
that.
front. Like there's a difference.
There's a difference between being legendary.
Between being legendary and just
having your name buzzing. Oh my
having
God.
your name buzzing. Blood don't mean nothing. I'm closer with Slim than my real cousin.
Oh my God. Blood don't mean nothing. Nigga. Oh, bro. Oh my goodness, boy.
Nothing. I'm closer with Slim than my real cousin.
Blood don't mean. Oh my goodness, boy.
12, JoJo down 13, that's a baker's dozen. Ate a chicken leg, playing chicken head while her face thumping. The friction from it make noise like when the cricket's legs rubbing.
The bars. Oh my goodness, boy, the bars. No, bro.
My real cousin. Fuck 12, JoJo down 13, that's a baker's dozen. Ate a chicken leg, playing chicken head while her face thumping. The friction from it make noise like when the cricket.
The friction from it make noise like when a cricket's legs rubbing. Oh my goodness.
Legs rubbing. I was aiming for a mouth, couldn't control it. Now her hair crunchy.
Damn.
Left and hit Dover Street Market, inspect the Hyundai.
Ooh.
I'm a serial fashion killer like Ted Bundy.
Who's
I
Ted
spend
Bundy?
it all on Saturday, I could be dead Sunday. I'm really nice with this. I watch reaction videos, you miss some bars, so I need you to listen twice to this.
Oh hell no! No. Hey, whoa. You're not talking about this nigga. You're not talking about me. And there's a few more people who react to music who I can vouch for them and say you're not talking about them. You should have said who you're talking to, bro. It's clearly not me. Not me, man. Man, whoa, bro. You shooting reactors now, man.
You miss some bars, so
I need you to listen to it.
I need you to listen twice to this. Like if I say I'm a monster, I don't mean metaphorically. I mean I'm genetically spliced with it.
Oh!
Fear of God, Nike fit. I mean I'm genetically.
If I say I'm a monster, I don't mean it metaphorically. I mean I'm genetically spliced with. Bro, this nigga. Bro, I'm gonna get out of this room, bro. Y'all know if I get out of this room or fall out of this chair. Man.
I don't mean metaphorically, I mean I'm genetically spliced with it. Lyrically Christ with it. Fear of God, Nike fit. I'm genetically spliced with it.
Lyrically Christ with it. Nike fit. Fear of God, Nike fit. Oh my.
I mean I'm genetically spliced with it. Lyrically Christ with it. Fear of God, Nike fit. My boy Bean used to have crack inside his Nike kicks. That's down my lane, give me a beat, don't care what type it is. I'm about to recite viruses on whoever's mic this is. Y'all won't give me my flowers, but y'all hyping this. Ears must be damaged, someone Mike Tyson did. The flow's tight like ice.
Ears must be damaged, somebody Mike Tyson did.
Spices fit, but my rigs loose like my 4X white tee in 2006.
Oh my goodness.
Hey, I known Doughboy since 2006.
Yeah.
I really opened for Gucci Man in 2006.
Yeah.
I used to drop songs and only get 2,000 clicks.
Facts.
Now I can stack plaques up like 2,000 bricks. All my boys self-employed, got the banks, no Lloyd. At the crib, lot of toys, got a kid, no
Oh.
fridge with LaCroix, smoking loud, fuck the noise. Use the throat, not a voice. She ate the nut like Almond Joy. I got a driver.
What's Almond Joy? That a girl ate that.
At the crib, lot of toys.
He said some girl ate like Almond Joy. Comment down below what's Almond Joy.
Boys got a kid, no Leroy, got the fridge with LaCroix, smoking loud, fuck the noise, use the throat, not a voice, she ate the nut like Almond Joy. I got a driver, he pull up, go beep beep, acting like I ever quit rapping, y'all sleep.
Yeah.
I wore some pink and now he thinking I'm sweet. We left the club and cooked his ass like street meat, feeling like Cameron, turn the camera on, look at the jewels,
feel like Cameron, turn the camera on.
Feeling like Cameron, turn the camera on, look at the jewels, repping the old boy, not the Jewel Santana song. I've had this number too damn long. Don't hit me if it's not about money. I want my text green like Samsung.
Yeah. You know what the fuck going on, man. Cleveland, stand up, man.
Okay, I think it's from Cleveland. I think it's from
You hear
Cleveland.
me? Y'all come holler at us. We want to make it through that city.
Oh my goodness,
See
boy.
at the top. At y'all.
This nigga FGK needs to stop killing me, bro. This nigga, oh my goodness. He is snapping on this piece, bro. He is not playing. Bro, comment down below about what you think of this reaction. And then the freestyle itself, bro. I gotta watch this bars off, bro. Oh my god, bro. I'm out, bro. We're going to the next. Hey, Kill Shot and Rap Devil. We're going to Rap Devil next, bro. Matter of fact, I'm gone, bro. I am so gone.